so summers are finally here. You know how it is, right? It's all sunshine and fun till your AC breaks down and you start melting away. But thankfully for me, it didn't take too long to fix that problem. Because just like you depend on your makeup to fix a bad skin day, I depend on Flipkart for my large appliances. Yes guys, Flipkart, the dependable store for TV and appliance. What's more, I got an on-promise delivery with double warranty on it. Beat the heat with some dependable shopping this summer. कि आपकी खरीदारी है Flipkart की जिम्मेदारी. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be for all those summer days when you just get back home from outside and you're just covered in sweat and you're itchy, you're angry because you use that expensive sunscreen in the morning and it's all gone, and now your skin is having rashes and looking tan and all of those things. So today's recipe is going to help you on all of those days. As soon as you get back home, you can just apply these ice cubes, and also after applying these ice cubes, you can come back to this video maybe and share your comments in the comment section, because it will really help me guys. Share honest feedbacks and I know it will be awesome because I personally use this recipe a lot myself. And yeah, before that you obviously need to see what this DIY is all about, so let's get started. The first thing you'll need is an ice tray. Next you will need some aloe vera gel. You can also use natural aloe vera gel, and a cucumber, a bowl, a grater, because right now we'll be making cucumber juice. If you don't want to make a cucumber juice, you can also use this Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner from Biotique. Or if you want to use something right from your home, you can also use rose water. Even this works really well. So to make the cucumber juice, we'll first grate the cucumber and then simply strain it to get your juice. And to this mixture now we'll add a little bit of aloe vera gel. So guys, I don't have like a fixed measurement of how much aloe vera gel I mix and how much cucumber juice I use. I just know that there has to be more of the cucumber juice because we'll be making ice. So we need the liquidy part of the formula a little bit more, and the rest can be aloe vera gel. And now guys, we'll start making our ice cubes. So don't have to make too many ice cubes because you can't actually store them for too long. Within 2.5 days you need to finish using them, and then the rest you can throw them away because they start going bad. So that's why I am making just like a few ice cubes right now. And that's it. Let's put this in the refrigerator for now and see what happens in a couple of hours. And here we have it guys, our green aloe vera cucumber ice. So I'm just gonna wrap this up in a piece of cloth. I'm basically using a clean handkerchief. And then very gently just dab this on your skin. So if you want, you can use this on your face, your hands, your legs, your back, wherever you want to use it. And just, you know, keep patting it for at least a few minutes. If you want to keep patting it for more time, that's also fine. By the way, obviously you need to wash your face very well with a face wash or something. Massage it in. And after about 15 minutes, just wash off your face, and that's it. So guys, that was today's DIY / skincare hack. Let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. I just said that, didn't I? Anyways, let me know in the comment section below if you have any queries. Okay, that's something different, although I say that in all of my videos. And also don't forget to hit like, subscribe to this channel, and keep coming back to this channel for more guys, because this channel is awesome. And by the way, I'm getting back to doing DIYs now. There'll be a lot of DIY videos coming up in the next couple of weeks, really good ones, awesome ones. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Okay, so now I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.